This is a presentation of the project, development of a tool to analyze bus routes, developed during the summer of 2016 at Mercer University as part of the Mercer Summer Engineering Experience. The goal of our project was to create two tools to help Macon Transit Authority to analyze their bus routes. We developed a VBA program to analyze data collected from devices installed in the buses and an arena simulation model that helps to see how changes in the routes would impact the bus service. First, we are going to present the VBA tool. This tool is Excel based. To use the program, after opening the Excel file, in the welcome sheet, the user has two options to use the tool, step by step or create report in one click. To run step by step, first click Import Data. A window will pop up and the user can choose a file to be analyzed. The second step is click on Format. That allows our program to organize the raw data. After that, just click on Create Report and the tool will automatically create a report based on the imported data. The report sheet will appear when the analysis is complete. If you choose Create Report in one click, just click the button. The window to choose the file will appear, and after the user double-click the file, the program will run automatically. Now we are going to present the report sheet. The report is sorted by route, bus number, and date. The column number of passengers shows the sum of passengers that use the bus service. The parameter for this indicator is 50 passengers. If less than 50 persons rode the bus during the day, the program will show a red mark. If 50 or more passengers had used the bus, it will show a green circle with the sum. Total time points is a column that shows the number of time points the bus stopped during the day. Number of early is the column that shows the number of times the bus left a time point before the scheduled time. MTA allows a tolerance of 5 minutes to consider a bus early. This is taken account in the program. This means that if the bus was less than 5 minutes early, this will not be considered an early bus. The cells of this column has comment box. If you pass the mouse over a number, the comment box will appear and you can see in which time point the bus left early and what time it happened. We also have a column that shows the late buses. This indicator has a 5-minute tolerance like the previous one. To see the time and time points where a bus was recorded late, just pass the mouse over the number and a comment box will show the data. Percentage of efficiency is the percentage of time the bus leaves the time points on the scheduled hour. The parameter for this indicator is 90%. A green mark will appear if the bus was on the scheduled hour 9% of the times. A red mark will be showing otherwise. Empty time points shows how many times the bus passed through time points and didn't pick up or drop off any passengers. The cells have comment boxes. Passing the mouse over a number, you can see what time and which time points were empty during the day. Most utilized time points shows the time point that was most utilized during the day. Sometimes the raw data received from the MTA has null values in some cells. Null passengers is a column created to capture this error. The indicator will show how many cells of passengers on or off came without numerical values. Null times is a similar indicator that shows how many cells of the departure time came without numerical values. Our program has a third sheet named Control. The sheet is sorted by route, bus number, date, and time points. The user can see the sum of passengers that got on and out of the bus in a specific time point during the day.
We also developed the simulation model using the Arena Rockwell software. The model allows the user to simulate any scenario that he wants, just by changing the input fed into the program. This is the input file. The vehicle sheet contains a table with the viable vehicles and the capacity of each vehicle. The stop coordinates contains the latitude and longitude of each stop. The stop arrivals sheet contains the distribution in which riders arrive at each stop at different times of the day, and the same thing we have for the drop-off at different times of the day. Sheets that have its name starting with SCH dot are schedule sheets. These sheets contain a schedule to be followed by a vehicle. The schedules are not tied to a vehicle until the user assigns a vehicle to a schedule in the simulation model, like will be shown next. After opening the Arena model, the user should open the input file by pressing the shortcut Ctrl-L. This will open a window in which the user will select a bus, assign it to a schedule, and add it to the model using the Add button. Next, the user should use the output and name. The Start button on the top menu will run the simulation. After stopping the simulation, the program will inform the user where is the output of the program. And there it is. We can now analyze both real case scenarios and simulated scenarios.